The Titan power is the pounding heart of the whole story. It inspires terror and awe. No wonder it is also called the Titan Curse. Hajime Isayama uses them as more than simply monsters. They reflect the reality of a hidden violence holding society together. To the kingdom inside the walls, there are terror, a threat that with good reason justifies the fear, the walls and the order, a force beyond comprehension, mindless monsters who offer no possibility of communication. They devour humans, that's the only thing that matters about them if you want to survive. But then comes the revelation. Titans were humans once, Eldians, the same people as they are. The line between accuser and accused blurs. Us and them, human and monster, those distinctions collapse. What was built to contain violence turns out to be part of it. Every shifter Titan transformation requires a self-sacrifice, blood drawn and pain endured with specific intent, an imitation of the agony suffered by Ymir, their matrix. This ritual shows what Gerard understood: sacrifice always stalks desire. Eldians must deliberately draw their own blood to transform, an act of commitment to the violence they wish to draw upon, a purpose pure Titans lack. Each transformation shows how power and desire grow together, extending the ability to affect more, control more, destroy more. The transformations are marked by lightning strikes, brilliant flashes that split the sky. This resonates with Gerard's book title, I See Satan Fall Like Lightning, which comes from a New Testament passage. It's illumination that discloses what was hidden. These lightning bolts don't just signal transformation, but expose the monstrous force concealed within ordinary bodies. The flash illuminates the violence hiding beneath human form, making visible the potential for destruction that exists within the seemingly innocent. Gerard's observation that revelation occurs as a bolt from heaven, shedding light on what we couldn't or wouldn't see, is echoed in each flash.